Good evening, members of the community. Today is May 19th, 2022. This is the Sweetwater Authority Community Open House. My name is Carlos Quintero. I am the Sweetwater Authority General Manager. This is the first in our virtual workshop series. We do plan on having an in-person workshop on May 31st at our Reynolds plant. We will have a version in Spanish, a workshop held in Spanish at 4 p.m. and then the English workshop at 5 p.m. So come join us if you'd like to listen to our workshop in Spanish, brush up on your Spanish, listen to our staff speak in Spanish, come for a light refreshment, and or come for a tour of the Reynolds groundwater desalination facility. So again, May 31st, 4 p.m. Spanish, 5 p.m. English. About Sweetwater Authority, we are a joint powers authority made of South Bay Irrigation District and the City of National City. We have been providing safe, reliable water since 1977. We serve an area of approximately 36 square miles, about 200,000 customers with over 33,000 connections. As you can see from the map, we serve mostly the western portion of Chula Vista, National City, and the unincorporated section of Bonita. Our board of directors is made up of 7 members, 5 from South Bay Irrigation District and 2 appointed from National City. As far as the authority's water resources, we own and operate 2 dams, Sweetwater Dam and Loveland Dam, along with the 2 reservoirs, 20 storage tanks, and 17 pump stations. We provide surface water treatment through our Purdue treatment plant located at the adjacent to Sweetwater Reservoir. We do have a groundwater desalination facility, the Reynolds facility located in National City. We also rely on freshwater wells located in National City, and when all of these sources are not enough, we import water from the County Water Authority. This is a map showing, or a schematic showing our facilities. You can see Loveland Reservoir, Sweetwater Reservoir, our Purdue Water Treatment Plant, and Reynolds Groundwater Desal Facility in National City, and our National City freshwater wells. Our water supply, we rely heavily on local water supply, so it's very weather dependent. When we have a wet year, we do provide more surface water, supplemented by groundwater desalination. And during the dry years, like now, we tend to rely more on imported water. So we have a portfolio made up of groundwater desalination, wells, and imported water. You may have heard that we're in the middle of a drought. The state is calling for water use restrictions. However, Sweetwater Authority customers are already meeting state water reduction goals. We have been implementing water conservation measures since the last drought, so our customers have done a great job in reducing their overall water consumption. The state is considering emergency regulations, which will be published probably in a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks. And as far as information, there's a lot of information by different agencies, counties, other cities. So look out for communications from Sweetwater Authority. Our public affairs team does a great job in communicating directly with our customers, so our customers know where we are in terms of our water supply and any potential restrictions established by our board of directors. As far as drought response, Sweetwater Authority is known for having or making water efficiency a way of life. We do, as an agency, invest in local water sources to help mitigate concerns, and we have a lot of rebates and resources available to all customers. We encourage you to visit our webpage, www.sweetwater.org, so you can find additional information. You can see in the photo there, one of the beautiful Water Smart Landscape Contest winners from 2019. You can see they incorporate a lot of low water use plants and a lot of other features like rock. So beautiful, beautiful landscape. As far as investment in infrastructure projects and improvements to ensure reliable water service, we do have a pipeline replacement program. And we also recently completed our water distribution master plan that identifies and recommends pipeline upgrades. And then we're also focusing on improvements to Sweetwater Dam and Loveland Dam. Next is a map that shows the proposed projects coming in for the next 2 years. So it just gives you a sense of the level of effort and investment that the authority is making and making sure that we provide reliable, safe water. As far as water quality, water provided meets and exceeds all safety standards. In fact, we just send a postcard to all of our customers with a QR code so you can access the water quality report. We do perform extensive monitoring and analysis to ensure water quality, and we prioritize projects and practices that enhance water quality. We're also working on a plant in National City to remove iron and manganese. This is the substances, they're mostly an aesthetic um, issue, but they do cause discolored water when there's any disturbance to the water distribution system. As far as water rates, we're a not-for-profit water agency, and every dollar collected is invested in operation, maintenance, and water delivery. So the figure shows the percentage roughly of what we spend on each one of the categories: 27% administration, 24% in infrastructure and debt, 18% in purchase water, 15% water service, 12% water distribution, and approximately 4% in customer service. So how does the drought impact the rates? So as local water sources dwindle, the authority is required to purchase more expensive imported water from the county water authority. The rates fund most of the authority operations. And as probably most of you have noticed, prices are going up significantly. It's no different for the authority. We notice significant increases in cost of electricity and chemicals used to treat water. We do provide assistance and resources. We again encourage you to go to our webpage. We're here to help. If you're having a difficulty in paying your water bill, we have payment plans available. And also the state is launching a low-income household water assistance program. So we encourage you to be on the lookout for any information. You can log into the state as a community services department and sign up for updates on that program. And again, we're committed to our community. We're here 24/7 for you, making sure that we're providing safe, reliable water. And with that, here's the information in case you have any further questions. Again, our webpage, www.sweetwater.org. Our main number, 619-420-1413. If you have a question for us, for staff, go into our webpage, contact us, click on the button, and you can submit an email to our staff. And with that, I will thank all of you for listening, and we'll hope to see you on the 31st.